Hello everyone. Today we are starting a new series in which we talk about some objective type of question and we will find out what we learn from previous videos. Okay? So let's start it. First question is, which of the following is not a characteristic of living? Not a characteristic of living. So first option is they can reproduce, they can grow, they can move, all of the above. Okay? First option, reproduce. Yes, they can reproduce. Livings can reproduce. They can grow. But when we talk about moving, all living things cannot move. We know that. So the correct answer is C. They can move. Next question is, a particular organism is known by the same name all over the world. This process is called. A particular organism is known by the same name all over the world. This process is called. First option is identification, then selection, being known, and nomenclature. So, identification is not a correct answer. We know that the correct answer is nomenclature, because when we talk about the definition of nomenclature, so we will find out that a particular organism is known by the same name all over the world. So this is a nomenclature. Okay. Next question is, each scientific name has two components. They are generic name, scientist name. सेकंड है साइंटिस्ट नेम, स्पीसीज नेम, जेनरिक नेम, स्पेसिफिक एपिथेट, एंड लास्ट वन फर्स्ट नेम एंड सेकंड नेम. We know that each scientific name has two components. One is generic name and second one is specific epithet, also known as species. So the correct answer is option C. Next question is, binomial nomenclature is given by. So the first option is Carolus Linnaeus, Mendel, Alexander von Humboldt, none of the above. We all know that binomial nomenclature is given by Carolus Linnaeus. Okay. Next question is, scientific name of mango is. First is mango indica, second is Mangifera indica, third is Mangifera indica, and the last one is mango mangifera. So we all know that the right answer is option C, because mango scientific name is Mangifera indica. But we will see that the Mangifera indica has B and C two option, but we will consider C option because M is capital here and specific generic name has always capital letter. So the answer is Mangifera, and the last one, the species name is small here. So our correct answer is option C. Next question is, Systema Naturae is a book of which scientist? First option is Mendel, then Alexander Fleming, C. Carolus Linnaeus, D. Louis Pasteur. So we all know that the Systema Naturae book is written by Carolus Linnaeus. Mendel is the father of genetics. Okay. You can also note it. Mendel is father of genetics. Alexander Fleming has discovered penicillin, and Louis Pasteur is known for his work in fermentation, pasteurization, and these kind of processes. So our correct answer is C. Carolus Linnaeus. Next question is, which one of the following is smallest and largest unit of taxonomy? In this question, we are asking for smallest and largest unit of taxonomy. Taxonomy is also known as taxonomic hierarchy. So let's see the option. A is genus and phylum, B is species and kingdom, C is family and genus, and D is species and order. So when we talk about smallest unit, so we all know that species is the smallest unit, but we will found there is two option of species. Then we move to largest unit. We all know that kingdom is largest unit, so B option is the correct answer here. Next question is, which one of the following is right ascending order of taxonomic hierarchy? So here ascending order of taxonomic hierarchy. So first option is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. Next is genus, species, order, family, class, phylum, kingdom. Next is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Last option is none of the above. We all know that the correct answer is option A, because it is ascending order, not a descending. If we talk about descending order, so C is correct, but we are talking here for ascending order, so option A is here correct answer. Species, then genus, then family, then order, then class, then phylum, and largest kingdom. Okay. Next question is, family of mango is. Here family of mango is, we have four options. Option A is Poaceae, B is Brassicaceae, C is Anacardiaceae, and D is Solanaceae. So all we know that the family of mango is Anacardiaceae, because in Anacardiaceae we will found drupe and fruits. So Anacardi is the correct answer. When we talk about Poaceae, so Poaceae is a wheat family. Wheat is belong to Poaceae. Brassicaceae, mustard is belong to Brassicaceae, and Solanaceae, potato is belong to Solanaceae. Potato, brinjal are belong to Solanaceae. Okay. Next is, which one of the following is not a taxonomical aid? Not a. Okay. So first option is museum, second herbarium, third key, none of the above. All we know that museum is also taxonomical aid, herbarium is also taxonomical aid, key is also taxonomical aid. Then the correct answer is none of the above. Next is, keys are based on. We all know that keys are a taxonomical aid. Okay, so first option is similar character, dissimilar character, opposite or contrasting character, all of the above. All we know that keys are based on contrasting character. Okay, so option C is correct answer. If we will consider dwarf plant, then we will also consider tall plant. So these both are the contrasting character. Okay. Next is, which one of the following is a member of phylum Arthropoda? Here we are talking about Arthropoda. First option is earthworm, second is housefly, C is phyla, and D is fish. So all we know that earthworm is belong to Annelida. Okay, and when we talk about housefly, so housefly belong to Arthropoda, and phyla belong to Mollusca, and fish belong to Chordata. So the correct answer is option B, housefly. Next is, National Botanical Research Institute NBRI situated in Delhi, Kanpur, Goa, Lucknow. So the correct answer is Lucknow. Okay. Next is monographs contain information of which of the following. If we are talking about monograph, we also know that, let's first see the option: any one species, any one phylum, any one taxon, and none of the above. All we know that monographs contain information of any one taxon. So the correct answer is option C. Okay. So in the next video we will talk about second chapter, biological classification, and we will understand some important question from biological classification. Okay, thanks for watching.